All they talking about is come and see me forwards, come and see me forwards, even though they're calling me.
So as I'm editing this, I've just realised that I've done this whole process not wrong. I've just filmed them at really awkward times. So the first time I did this process, I bought the wrong sheet and then I didn't do the dye process properly. So that's the footage that you've just seen me doing. But because I didn't want to refilm a few certain bits, I just left it at that. And then when I did it the second time around, I didn't actually film it, which was so silly. Because I didn't film the new footage, I've had to insert pictures and just instructions just so that you guys can get an idea of how to do it properly. If you're using this dye specifically, then please read the instructions. Don't copy what I did. I didn't read the instructions and that's why I kind of flopped the first time. What you're gonna have to do first is take one packet of this dye. This is if you're using this dye. Take one packet and dissolve it in some warm water. I believe it's around 500 milliliters. Did like a rough estimate, so I'm not really sure. So dissolve it in warm water, and then in a separate container you're gonna put in 6 liters of warm water as well, but then you're gonna add in 10 teaspoons of salt. I'm not really sure what the salt is for, but I'll put it up on the screen. You're gonna then stir that up. You're then gonna mix the dissolved dye into that bowl of warm water, mix that around. While that's kind of sitting there, you're going to then fold your fabric up with the elastic bands, which you'll see in the next clip. Let it sit there for 20 minutes, depending on how potent or how bright you want your fabric to come out. The longer you will leave it. For me personally, I left my fabric in the dye for like 20 minutes.